Does this look familiar? A jungle of wires for your iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, wires everywhere. Even though I've already tried to hide all the wires behind the table, it doesn't work. Chargers still taking up all the space. It's so annoying. Can't we just put them all together? The answer is I. This is the Belkin Boot Charge Pro, a 3-in-1 magnetic charging stand that's about to change your life. At least it changed mine. Look how easy it is. Just snap your devices into place and boom, all three are charging at the same time. You know what? The coolest part is this one. You can even charge your phone in 2 positions, upright or sideways. Perfect for watching videos while charging. You can watch the videos horizontally and vertically. Is that cool? Not enough. You can still adjust the angle little by little. It's better than the last version. If you're looking for a clutter-free solution, this is it. Sleek, efficient, and perfect for Black Friday deals. Grab yours while it's on sale. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share this with someone who needs to tidy up their desk, just like me. See you in the next one. Peace.